Hi, crafty fam. How are you today? So today we are gonna do a fun Halloween craft. I am gonna turn me three one pieces, a square, a half of a rectangle, and a full rectangle into Halloween decoration sign. And the first step is painting to the next flip. To this mark on the me painting each one. To the next flip. So now I have all of them lined and ready. I'm gonna start with this one first because I'm just excited. So basically I'm gonna take this design. I found this design on Silhouette and I'm gonna oh, hold on. I'm gonna I'm gonna try move it. Hold on, hold on. So I'm trying to group this welcome. There we go. Whoop. And now red. So I'm going to now where my ruler? There we go. So I have my ruler here. Now apparently you can't copy this font. Like I'm trying to use. So I'll be right back with the cutting and the vinyl. So I just for my design. Now I'm gonna load it. Now I am going to grab my sticky mat here and grab it's gonna be a good. So now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take this on vinyl. So this can go on here. Just be ta-da! Now we're gonna load it in. Now vinyl loaded. Now we're gonna go here, hit then it's ready. Hold on. Now let's send it. So now let me peel this off, maybe. And now let me line it up like so perfectly. So now we take this and just rub it on. Like so. And some more. No, I don't want it up my sleeve. And now, okay, yeah. And we just rub it on like so. Like so. Ta-da! It definitely looks really cool. So, ta-da! Let me show you on the other side. Ta-da! So that's the first finished drawing. And now on to the next drawing. It'll be like that. So add the black one on flying. I'm using a darker orange than the orange I used on this one because this took a lot of layers to get me this neon. I don't want to do that. This is day 2 of this project. So, yeah. So, I'm just gonna paint these. So, what I'm doing, I'm just dipping my brush in and just painting them like so. Actually, might not look that different. So I will be back and we putting them on this one, and then I'll show you the finished product. So here are the finished product. Here's the finished product. I'm so happy with how these turned out. Like, they're super cute. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, any silhouette questions you have, or comment below if you made these signs, and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm to promote more of my videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button if you enjoy DIY crafts like this or lifestyle videos. Bye, Crafty fam!